All right, hi everyone. So today I'm gonna just go over how we're actually going to use colored pencils and then markers in some different ways. This is like a really good kind of segue into doing our color unit, which is what we're going to be doing next. So you should have already set up your page to look like this. If you haven't yet, make sure you pause this and do that and come back. But here we go. So first ones are about colored pencils. So you're going to need these. So you can pick whatever color, so it doesn't matter. And you're going to fill the whole space. I'm just doing this quickly for video sake. So the first one's for light pressure. So for this one, you're going to hold your colored pencil as like loosely as you can in your hand without a lot of pressure. And you're gonna try to make the lightest mark you can so you can barely see the color. And you're gonna fill that whole thing in. Nice and even though, we do not wanna scribble. Okay, and you're gonna fill this whole space in. Light pressure is good. Then the opposite of that is dark pressure. So for that, you're gonna be choking up on your pencil a little bit like over here, and you're gonna be pressing hard. You're gonna be able to see the range of value that you can allow this pencil to go. You're gonna fill your whole space in. If you need to sharpen it, you can sharpen it. You will have one of those in your kits as well. But you can definitely see how like you can go from very light to very dark. Awesome. Next one's cross hatching. So we've done this before with a regular pencil, but now we're gonna pick 2 colored pencils to do this with. It's totally up to you what colors you're going to pick. I'm going to stick with my violet, and then this is also a yellow-green color. So for cross hatching, you're going to deliberately draw your lines. And again, you're going to fill your whole space in one direction and then go over top with your lines in a different color, different direction, and keep that layer going. What you're gonna see is it's gonna kind of color mix, which comes out pretty neat. And it gives you like a really cool texture. But take your time and remember you're filling the whole space. The next one's gonna be called layering. So this one is gonna be done with 2 different colors as well. It's when you want to mix a color and you don't have a colored pencil for that. So I'm gonna pick like this blue color and maybe this green. You can choose whatever color you'd like. So the ticket here is light pressure, not the dark. You're gonna do 1 light layer of your first color. Again, you're filling the whole space. And then you're gonna go over it with your other color, filling the whole space, light layers. And then where the magic happens is where you bring your color underneath, again, on top. So it basically starts mixing it, which is really cool. Take your time with this, and you can go back and forth as many times as you want. The last one for colored pencils that we're gonna do is gradation of 2 colors. So again, you can choose whatever 2 colors you would like. I'm gonna choose a red. Oh, this is orange. An orange. And let's do a red. So for this one, it's where you wanna blend it from one color to the other. So to do that, you are going to first start coloring one end, but not make your line perfect. You want it to be kind of jagged. And this is gonna be done with light pressure. You're gonna fill the whole space, but I'm just doing it quickly. Then you're gonna take your other color from the other side and bring that down, also not jagged, or also not straight. You want it like to be a little bit jagged. That way they like melt into one another. And then what's gonna happen is this is where you need to put in the work. You need to go back and forth between the 2 colors to make them kind of melt together on the inside. And eventually you'll see that new color there in the middle. All right, so everyone go practice the colored pencil ones. I will be back in a minute with my marker tutorials. Thank you.